So basically I'm going to, one layer goes underneath and the other layer goes on top. So, oh geez. I think I should be using tweezers for this, but let's see. Actually, I am going to get a pair of tweezers. Okay, I'm back, and with the tweezers, and I think this is how it should be. So one, oh geez. I don't know how people actually manage to do this online. Okay guys, if there is an easier way to do this, can you please tell me how to do it? Okay. Alright. It actually looks quite good, but I feel like it's not fishing quite right, because if you have a look, it's not right up against my lash line, and it's supposed to be up against the lash line. So I'm gonna have to try this again. I feel like if the wind blows really hard, this can actually fly away. Because my lashes aren't that long, so there's not that much to hold on to, I guess. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, I feel like this side was probably a little bit easier to put on, and basically what I did was I just threw them on my lashes, and because it's magnetic, it just catches on really quickly without me having to try. So maybe that's how it's meant to be done. Okay, I finally got it to work. All right, I think the trick is like this. Okay, I'm just gonna pull it off to just show you. So once you pull it off, because it basically clamps onto your lashes, so it's like two layers stuck together. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to peel that apart. I'm going to take that apart, and I'm just going to show you how I do this. Alright, so you basically have to almost like close your eyes, stick it underneath, and just throw this one on top. And there you go! It's not that complicated. I think at the beginning I tried to open my eyes. I tried to do it with my eyes open, and that was really super tricky because it's magnetic. So as soon as I put the top layer close to the bottom layer, it starts going into my eyes, and it's really uncomfortable. So I'll just do that again just to show you how easy this works. And literally within seconds, okay? Close your eyes, dump it on. That's it. I think I really like this now. So if you are interested in getting these lashes, I will link it below. So anyway, see you on the next one. Bye.